Hey everyone, Dave from Gibby's Electronics Supermarket. Wanted to showcase our new project that we're starting again. So we're at the pre-wire stage right now. You can see that nice big windows are going into this home, and the customer has requested that we control the shades that are going to be there. So there'll be individual shades going over each panel of windows and doors, which we'll be wiring for. Then if we come this way, you can see we're outfitting the whole house with Control 4 again, so you'll see those light switch locations all over the place, which are all low voltage light switches. We have a touchscreen location that's going to be coming into this house. There'll be a nice 10-inch touchscreen there that they can control the entire house from afterwards. Bedrooms are going to have motorized drapes in them as well, which will be wirelessly controlled but powered with high voltage receptacles. We're working on putting in access points in the different locations to make sure that our Wi-Fi is really good. So we have our wires hanging down for Wi-Fi purposes. And then let's go on into the basement. So as we said before, with the Control 4 system, we need to have our panels downstairs in the basement that controls all the lights. So we're actually installing that right now for our secondary panel. These cables that you see coming down here, those are going to control all the modules, as well as this is all those keypad wires terminating back to one spot. So that'll all get tidied up. Electrician will bring all his high voltage wires into this side of the panel, and that'll connect into the modules that we will supply. So coming this way, there's going to be a cool wine cooler in here. There'll be all glass walls, really neat to see. Over here, we're going to have another 10-inch touchscreen. So when their clients are in the basement, they'll be able to control everything from this main location. We have another gym going in over here. So there's going to be a couple of speakers that go in the wall in either corner of the room. As we move this way, we're going to see this is just the standard rec room. We're going to have a large TV on the wall here, and this will have a Sonos Arc underneath it with a subwoofer as well. And then let me take you to the spot that I think is going to be probably the coolest room in the house when it's all finished. And that's the dedicated home theater. So this room is going to have tiered level seating in it. It's going to have a projector hanging from the ceiling at the back of the room. We're going to get as big of a screen as we can to fill this wall over here. Keeping in mind that we have 4 subwoofers going into this room, so we have to have space to allot for those 2 at the front and then 2 at the back. It's going to have a full Dolby Atmos surround, which is going to have 7 speakers around the room and 4 speakers in the ceiling. So that's about it, guys. That's where we're at right now with this project. When we get to the next level, we will keep you posted and show you what's coming next. Thanks.